Hello and welcome back to another video on my base building planet exploration collection indie type game or something like that. In this video I want to show you what I achieved last week with my game, so let's dive right into it. On the left side you can now see a special side menu which helps you to do some actions in the game. For example, this little icon here with the planet itself, it's the back button. Back to the world view, where I can now go to another side of the world, for example this one, and now I can head back. I also managed to fix this because before the mapping was wrong, so I clicked somewhere and got to the wrong side of the world. Now this is fixed. I also had the problem finding the player. For example, now, do you see the player? I do not, so therefore I got the center, the player. And this is pretty cool, so if you want to explore the world and get some resources or something like that, and now you do not find the player, you can just hit this little button here and the camera switches to the player. Pretty cool, right? The button in the middle is there to open the building menu, but this is, as you see right now, not implemented. But the plan is that you click this button and on the bottom side of the screen a new window pops up where you can craft or build some base buildings. I also fixed some behavior in regards of collecting some items, so if I want to collect the wood, it's okay, but now if I want to collect the stone, it doesn't work because the one single inventory slot is already full with wood, but now I can easily drop the wood anywhere, for example here, and now I can take the stone and hooray, this is working. But now if I want to pull a stone out of my inventory and want to put it on the wood, this does not work because one grid cell does only allow one item. So I also cannot put this on an environment object like a tree or a stone. And please don't have a look on these ugly objects. I plan to make them more beautiful like this stone. I also managed to refactor a shitload of code. I mean, come on. So I can reduce a bit of technical debt. I think the next steps are to implement the building system so you can collect resources and bring them from A to B. Thanks for watching. We see you in the next video. If you liked the video, then please hit the like button. Please subscribe to this channel if you do not want to miss anything. And we see us in the next video. Bye.